everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a small tour of my desk area. This is my work from home desk, my Bible journaling, quiet time area, my crafting, doing art, making a mess area. So it's kind of everything all together, and just figured I'd share it with you guys, show you everything I have, how I have things organized. And yeah, it's normally not this clean. I can share with you guys what it normally looks like, but there's always tons of things on here. There's a lot of things I just put on my bed for right now to show you guys what I to show you guys this. Also, I have my TV right here. This is the only spot for my TV. It's on my desk. It takes up space, but it's fine. It works. I make it work. I just figured I'd share this with you guys now, and I do have a few more things that I need to bring up. We've been decluttering and organizing and cleaning things, and I found a lot more things that just need to be put away, things I've been missing that I'm like, where is this? So they need to be put in their homes. So that will be happening soon. It would be great if I had a separate space for my art, but I do not. And yeah, so let me show you guys all of this. So when you come into my room, in the corner is my art section, or my desk section. And I do have the IKEA Alex 6 drawers, and then this one too, and then I just have two tabletops and made it into like an L shape. And then I have my cart from Michael's, and this is just my area. This is what it looks like. We can start with underneath here. I just keep random things, so I have a bunch of shaving cream for different art stuff, my canvases, tons of canvases. Actually have more downstairs that I need to bring up, and then my balloon arch things. And then my cart, we have seen my cart. I have a video going into detail what's in my cart. This right now is just like my current everyday art stuff and my current everyday Bible studying stuff. I have just a canvas there, a pile of books that I need to get rid of, my new light, some paintbrushes, and then this is just some highlighters, and I have tons of highlighters down here. These are all my highlighters, colored pens, little sticky flags, black pens, then some sticky notes and tapes, like easy grab things right here. On this side is my paper my paper tower that I got off Amazon. I can leave that link down below, but it just holds all my cardstock, all the cardstock. Up here, some sticker paper and some printer paper, candles, picture of me, my Stanley, and like I said, my TV. I'm gonna take you guys into the drawers because I know that's what everyone wants to see. So I'm gonna take you into the one that's right under my paper stack. This first one is just wax seals things, and I actually have more of those up on that shelf. Those are all my like wax seal stuff. And then I have just the wax for them. More here, all my stamps that I have, some stamps and dies that are like coordinating, my stuff for stamping, acrylic blocks, these things, and then some wipes to clean my stamps off, and then my stamps for like my postage stamps. I have an actual book. I got that off Amazon too. And I still have like these little pieces of tape telling me what's in everything. This drawer is a mess. I truly have no idea how to organize this. Every time I feel like I organize it, it gets worse. I just have some gems, some paper decals, different like paper things that I bought at Joann's, Christmassy things for Bible journaling, random little things, ribbons, stickers, banners, also things for card making because I used to do card making, glitters, lace, any small things that I've cut out, tags. There is a plethora of things here. We're struggling. This drawer is a tool set drawer. I have another one of these in my drawer set here, but that's for like smaller things. These things clearly don't fit in that one. Like, this is my scoring board, some bigger rulers, another cutting mat, which, where's my actual cutting mat? I think that's downstairs. I have a large cutting mat, some die cuts, and just things like that. this should be with my painting stuff. I get old clipboards to make like boards, like hardboards, because hardboards are expensive. Okay, watercolor things. So my extra watercolors, my Tansy, what's it called? It's like the watercolor you see a lot of people use. It's an affordable one from Amazon. Some liquid black ink. My, I was gonna say liquid watercolors, but it's watercolors. They're just like in these little jars. And it's really messy there. And then all my watercolor papers. Why can't I speak today? My watercolor papers. And then just large watercolor brushes. And I really like the Canson. You can find it on sale or typically for about like $5 to $6. Okay, here I just have more paper that's not cardstock. So like I have this foil cardstock, my Bristol board, sketchbooks, tracing paper, vellum, things like that, more acetate. And then down here, my 12 by 12 paper. I have a lot of paper and then rolls of paper. So just different sets. I use them for Bible journaling, things like that. And now this drawer. Let's start from the bottom because it'll be quicker. Nail stuff has nothing to do with crafting, but that's where I keep all my nail stuff. And then in here's all my tech stuff and a ring light. Here I have cards. So envelopes, cards, pre-folded ones. This is to seal envelopes, some small cards, pre-bought cards, just different things like that, and it goes till back there. Here are all my inks and then brushes and more sponges for that. So these are mostly distress oxide, archival. Then here I have scrap paper. So anytime I use paper, but I don't use the whole thing, I just throw it in this drawer because it's still usable. And I do go into here before I go into these things. So a whole drawer full of paper. I have a lot of paper. I truly have a paper problem. I used to have more, and I've given away a lot of my paper books because it was crazy at one point. Over here now, down here I just have all my acrylic paints, more paintbrushes, these sponges that I bought, palettes, things like that, all thing paints. Here I have another like tools drawer, so I have my hot glue guns, more rulers, scissors, glue sticks, a wood burner, a giant T-square, yeah, that type of stuff. And here I'm gonna put my charcoals in here, but for right now I have like my pastels, which I haven't used in a really long time, but I didn't get rid of them because I do want to use them. And then I just have these hard cardboard pieces because I figured they are good for different things. So this will have my charcoal and like drawing stuff soon. Here is all my sticky notes, more flags, my desk eraser, glues, tapes, tape dots, foam tapes, Velcro, all that fun stuff. That's what's in here. Magnets. So I used to actually have a whole drawer full of just sticky notes, and I've been trying to use them before I buy more. So right now I'm down to like half a drawer, which is really good. And then over here are just extra pens. So I have extra pencils because I go through pencils like crazy. These are like my brush pens. These are the colorful ones. So I keep those in here. I have a bunch of them. Extra things right here, backups of my favorite things. Erasers, watercolor brush pens, and then just normal pens. So these are like ballpoint pens, plus my extra Mr. Happy fine liners. Oh, and also the, what are these called? The erasable Pilot Friction highlighters, because these are the only ones that work in my Spanish Bible. And then a corner cutter, because you just never know when you're gonna need to round a corner. So that's kind of everything I have. I do want to move my I'm a mess. I'm always moving my room around, but I do want to like move it back to that side of the room and then do like a gallery wall with all my art and things like that. So that is my plan. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a quick tour of my space and yeah, showing you all my mess. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.